think it's.
Well, I wanted to make sure that we had spark and the motor at least ran a little bit before I took it apart anymore and looked into the kick arm and the mixer and the exhaust manifold. So those are the parts we have to clean and blow out and concentrate on right now. But as far as this frame goes, it was broken. And somebody took a whole lot of time to drill holes down the side and tap the holes and put 10 quarter 20 bolts in it. And they even cut the angle iron out where the tip is for the fuel drain. So, as it stands right now, I'm thinking by the time I mess around and weld this up and weld all the holes and grind it and blast it, we might be better off to look for a different one.